Yes, guys, guess what happened? Jamrock that are going to the people. You know, I am heading down to Jamrock's house because guess what? I'm having a backyard cookout to the people. And you know what? I'm not waste no time, you know. I'm heading down there now. I'm gonna hit the road. I'm leaving home right now. Jamrock home is the thing. Yes, guys, so you see, finally reached Jamrock base, you know, people. So the house is behind me, you know. Finally reached, you know, just pull up. And I mean, under my roll, you know, guys. Yeah, man, my little brethren that, you know. Yeah, man, me am a part today. Yeah, man, me see it. Ooh, people, look at that. My gosh, let me take off the lid. Look there, guys. My word. Crawfish. One cooler full of crawfish, people. Watch out.
Support.
Yeah, man.
Respect, Junior. Big up yourself.
Panny 1 foot, eh?
Yeah, 1 foot.
I don't know what happened.
Hey, him do more on him 1 foot than people with 2 foot, though.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Me big him up, man, for real, man. Him a go on.
Yeah, me love him.
And farm nice, you know.
Yeah, me love him energy, man. Short
Yeah.
man and the whole of them.
Yeah, short man.
DNG.
Last year the short man with 1 foot.
DNG?
DNG, yeah.
Yeah.
DNG in my passing.
Yeah. Oh, yeah?
No, every time I go there, I want I pray.
You have to pray.
Yeah, man, but him so like him at the church, man, you know.
For real, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. What you need, a knife?
Yeah, knife and a saw.
There's one up there already.
Same way. Oh, man. Yeah, that one the bud. Yeah, that one the bud, my yo. Trap the heat, eh? Trap the heat. Anyway, people, see there now, I might think this, you know. Yeah, man, I will consume that one, you know, guys. Nice soup, man. Chicken, what a chicken foot and wine nice soup?
The whole chicken in the mayo.
A whole chicken, okay. Straight chicken, people. I just show me see one chicken foot, there's some checks here. Alright, respect. So, I go mash up that little one, you know, guys. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, see the people. Yeah, man, the taste is on too, I go on. Yeah, guys, it's good. Yeah, man, so may I say Irish chicken and dumpling and corn, carrot. Yeah, man, it's bad, you know, bad people, and it tastes, it tells you it's bad. Yeah, man, so you want stay tuned to come on and see the main course, alright? Watch the people, we call it chicken stand up. Watch. Hey, you put my life in it. What a one skill, man. Alright, people, see there, turkey neck. This I go with the crawfish too. So this I go fry out first and then I'm just add it to the crawfish. No, me and my brethren there have a one drink, you see there. whole a Bud Light. You see what I say? Yeah, man. See him over there, so I wash the turkey. Alright, people, see? Right now, you see them white stuff on there, salt, that you know, guys. So, you know, them sprinkle salt on there to purge them. Right, see there? One cooler full of crawfish. What you say? They want to let out the pork out of the prison, you know. I always say I go and rap it.
You know, you are Mike, you know.
No, man, you can't call my name on that, brother. How me if you go and rap it? See there? Do the honors, man. Because you want to go on inside, I file paper. Yeah.
I'm Mike, you unwrap it.
People, I know my food this, you know, but you don't know. I remember when I go wild hog hunting, boy, I saw some rice me eat, but see the pork here, people. Man, it look nice though. Wow. That's pretty, man. Pretty. Oh, look there. People are wanting though, you know. I'm not gonna know how it tastes, you know. Because I don't eat pork. See there? But I just showing the still because you know say pork there in the house. You see there? Yeah, man. Who you attack?
Yeah,
Where is it happen?
I give you the first piece.
Me not taste that, you know that? Hold down and put that way now with the full mouth. You mad? See the people. Alright guys, so pork up on the menu too, you know, see it there. People are here, so the thing there, look at that. Look at that. People, look there. One cooler full of crawfish. Look at people. Gosh, that's beautiful. I wonder if we can teeth one though, sir. People, I got teeth one, you know.
Yeah, I was like, movie head.
I got teeth one, people. But the hot, Jesus Christ, that burned me. People, my teeth one but it about me. We can't even get fit. Shell it down right now, guys. But
Yeah, nah, that needs to move.
yes. Teeth one, guys. Alright, tastes good. We just want to taste, you know. I cannot know what I'm going on. You understand? But it tastes good, trust me. Turkey neck, that's what people and all of that are fry out then if you add to the crawfish. Okay guys, so you see we have some more friends rolling in. So I'm doing fine, man. So you're Carlos, okay. Alright, nice meeting you too, man. Hey, you want to introduce yourself? Alright, tell them which channel to watch. Jamaican in Houston Wildlife Plus TV.
Jamaican in Houston?
Yes.
Go watch.
All right.
Go watch it now and subscribe right now.
Wildlife TV Plus.
Wow. So you do
Wildlife Plus
everything.
TV. Yeah, so the Wildlife Plus, you know, simply mean that I just don't do wildlife. I do any little thing, you know?
Everything.
Yes, everything. Right, so that's what the plus is for. Thank you. So guys, Jamrock brought this out here, you know. I don't know why I'm carrying this out here, you know, the root appearance, you know. Why you bring this out here, Jamrock? I trouble you're going to get now, you know. Yeah.
Want to try some Jamaican rum?
Sure.
Too
Let
scared.
me go get some cups. It's 65% alcohol by volume.
Yep.
You feel it. It's worse than moonshine.
Oh, really?
Yes. Yes, it is. All right, y'all can try
You
it,
know how
but
strong that was when I was a kid? I put it in my mouth, strike matches. And
yeah,
And it almost burned my hoof.
yeah. So guys, look at this.
Okay.
That's it.
I like jerk chicken.
Yep.
And the rice.
And here it goes into the pot.
Every other island they cook it, but they can't.
It was good and then,
People, you see the size of the pot. They say, what you got there?
That's Casamigos tequila.
That's tequila. Is that the one with the worm in it?
Nah, that's not the worm. It's some worm inside.
Oh, you say gotta kill some worm inside, right?
It's good. It's good.
Good enough to kill some worm inside.
Too much.
All right, guys. See, tequila.
As long as they're all the same.
I think she's.
Yep.
I think I have my place right now.
Gracias.
Yeah, let me go into my.
Yo, you want a shot?
So people, I don't know how I'm going to handle this, because I'm having Bud Light, I'm having white rum, and now I'm having tequila, right? So I'm having a shot with my friends, all right?
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers, Mike.
All right. Yes, guys, see? Empty cup.
I was gonna be asking if he doesn't.
Oh, yeah. Real good.
Because
You never had it before?
Yeah, this one is good.
Oh, yeah, I drink a lot. I drink a
The
lot.
reposado.
Put it in the cooler.
The reposado. Yeah, put it in the cooler.
Is that all of them?
Yeah.
That's it.
All right. All right, so what you having right there? You got
Actually, I don't know what this is called.
that's
but-
festival,
Oh, it's really good.
right?
And some chicken.
And that's
Some
I think that's jerk
Some
chicken.
Jerk chicken, yeah.
So how is it?
I haven't tried the chicken yet. I'm about to try it.
All right.
Real reaction.
Okay, peeps. So she's about to taste the chicken. That's your first time eating jerk chicken?
Yeah. No, second time.
Second time? So how is this one?
Really good.
All right.
that.
All right, guys. See? That's it. Yep. All right.
Try it out, Selena.
All right. Oh, she's going to try it too.
No, actually, it's really good.
All right. So peeps, you hear it from them. You know, you didn't hear from me.
What's
You know?
that? What's this one?
That's festival. It's called festival in Jamaica. You know, it's like it's more like fried dumpling,
Oh.
right? But this one is done differently from fried dumpling. It's have a little sweetness to it,
I tasted it. It's perfect.
right? And cornmeal and stuff like that. So
Good.
yeah.
All
All right.
You're missing
All right.
out.
Enjoy your meal.
Bye.
All right.
Yeah. That's it.
Where you asking?
You want a wing or you want
It don't matter. Chicken's chicken. Thank
to
you.
on that porta
Chicken is chicken. As now it's jerk chicken.
Yeah, that's true.
No, it's not gonna work. No, I'm gonna have to hold this and you're gonna have to
People,
pull it.
look at that.
Okay, I got you.
Oh
You pull the
my
top, I'll hold
gosh.
I
That
got it.
is
Pull it. I got it. You got
beautiful.
it? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. God damn, this motherfucker. I got it. Just, all right. That's good enough. I just want to put the
Look
butter
at that,
sauce on
guys.
that side.
Oh
You got a
my
little
gosh. Yep. What you say? They want to let the pork out of prison, you know. I always say I'm unhappy.
You know, you are Mike, you know.
No man, you can't call my name on that, brother. Hold me if you go and drop it. See there? Do the announcement. Because you want to go on inside, I file paper. Yeah.
I'm Mike, unwrap it.
People, I know my food this, you know, but you don't know. I remember when we go wild hog hunting, boy, I saw some rice me eat, but see the pork here, people. Man, it look nice though. Wow. That's pretty, man. Pretty. Oh, look there. People are wanting though, you know. Me not gonna know how it tastes, you know. Because me not eat pork. See there? But me just a showing you still because you know say pork there in my house. You see there? Yeah, man. Who we attack?
Yeah,
Where is it happen?
you the first.
Me not taste that, you know that. Hold down and put that wine out the full mouth. You mad? See the people. Alright guys, so pork up on the menu too, you know, see it there. People are here, so the thing there, look at that. Look at that. People, look there. One cooler full of crawfish, look there people. Gosh, that's beautiful. I wonder if we can teeth one though, sir. People, I got teeth one, you know.
Yeah, I was like, movie head.
I got teeth one, I got teeth one, people. But it's hot. Jesus Christ, that burned me. People, my teeth one, but it's a burned me. You can't even get fit. Shell it down right now, guys. But
Yeah, nah, that needs to move.
yes. Teeth one, guys. Alright, tastes good. You just want to taste, you know. I cannot know what I'm going on. You understand? But it tastes good, trust me. How are you the ones? How are you the ones? Why move fire, man? How are you doing? How are the backside is? People just in Jamrock try to put pork on my mouth. So what are you having, man?
Jerk pork.
Jamaican jerk pork?
Best one I've ever had.
Eh?
Yeah.
What you just say? What you just say, Jamrock?
We're going to hold you down and rub a piece of pork on your lips.
You must be mad. Watch the people. I say, how it is? You can't push it up into the camera, you know, but don't put it, no come across, no pass the camera with it.
You running?
Yeah, man. I don't mind food that people, but you know.
You're missing out, man.
Eh? Nah, man, now you have so much other food here. You have crawfish, you have fish, otherwise you have
shrimp. Hey, you
chicken.
about the shrimp?
You have chicken, you have shrimp.
Well, the shrimp don't take long. Throw them on the water. Put them on there.
Right, you see it, people? And the man want to feed me with pork.
Give me the black
The man want to push pork in my
What's the black
face.
top in there, Sheldon? Which one?
What?
The black top there.
Where you go with your pork, man?
More for me.
Aye.
Do you guys still have tortillas?
Yeah.
Y'all still have?
Alright, guys, see it there? People.
I don't even like
Let me come over here.
those. You get to
That might.
They don't need nothing.
We used to
I feel me want this, you know?
just want a snack.
I feel me want this. Watch out. You think you don't need?
Toast,
Look at.
well, you know, you took the tortillas and you put butter on it.
Yeah.
Oh my God. More people look at that. No, I'm good with this. I'm good with this. So, see? Everybody getting their crawfish.
I'm gonna share one with Bronco.
This is mine. Yep. Alright, so
Me too, girl.
go over there with it.
Babe, you want to share one?
Yeah, you shrimp?
I shrimp. I love shrimp. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. I don't know. I can't get it.
Oh, get that one.
Alright guys, so see?
Bring the pot over here.
Crawfish.
I'll get some here.
Ask her.
Yep.
Ask her to get a piece of.
So we have more coming in now guys. We have the potato, the corn and all those stuff. That is going to be added to it.
Yeah.
That's all we have. No,
Yep.
bring them over here.
Oh, Janelle,
Yeah.
I was gonna say, you want to dump the shrimp in there?
Alright guys, see
Leave
that?
them in there?
Can we dump the shrimp in this? I don't think it, because there's no.
Yep.
Well, if there's some, I was talking about in the crawfish.
Probably
It's all
better.
shellfish.
Get more seasoning.
In
Yeah.
there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mmm.
The shellfish in it?
See there.
You know what?
Kevin,
Yeah.
I feel this. If Kevin, that one I feel, you know, you can't, we're going to save this for you.
Do me, hey, Sheldon. Look at him.
Send a message to Kevin now. Tell him about the pork
Bring that
because
to
he
me.
never
Put the
record.
trash in.
Jamrock,
That black thing there, yeah.
Jamrock, he never record. Tell Kevin about the pork.
The pork coming like M&M's. It melts in your mouth, not in your hands. Like I'm telling you.
Anyway, people, see there. I might play this now. And Jamrock, they are rap me now. Watch it, watch it. Anyway, guys, I'm going to work on this now, you know. See there. Jumbo shrimp, corn.
Hello, if y'all
And
want
crawfish.
trash, put it in this. Turkey necks on deck.
Yeah.
Turkey necks.
No, menudo.
Oh, turkey necks
Y'all
coming
want
up.
some turkey neck?
My God. People, look at that. turkey neck is added. Right? Turkey neck is added. Look at that. Oh
You don't
my
think one
gosh.
bad neighbor does make you feel like you don't even want to live in your neighborhood.
My word.
I'm glad I ain't got none.
Turkey neck added to the dish, people. See there?
See why I'm like.
Oh my God.
I love when him come
So,
help me.
Jamrock, have to go ahead with this, you know.
Love clean. Him no like
See there? We're gonna mash down this now, people.
Him out. It dried out. Turkey neck.
Yeah, I'm original over that. I'm here to find this place there, you know. Come on. We have jumbo shrimp, you know, see there? Try the jumbo shrimp.
Yeah, spice, right?
Yeah, spicy. Like it.
Not too spicy
Yeah,
though, but
flavor, everything like it, right?
I'm gonna go rip my nose off when I get home. Your nails off? Yeah, because you know, like, it's like, oh, yeah. That's every time I tell, like,
Where'd you wash your hands?
Right,
no,
guys.
but it's like not, right? It's not the same.
Yeah. Jumbo shrimp.
I believe it's not press-ons, because then definitely
not them.
soak them in.
This one, right? But we had to throw this one back.
Oh, that was, oh my God, that was huge. That's a monster, man.
That's a monster, huh, man?
That's too big.
Hold up, man. Hold up.
That where you call that?
Fort Arthur?
Okay. So guys, this is the moment when we have to wrap up, you know. So it's a wrap up time right now, and it's been an epic day. Yeah, epic backyard thing, you know. So people, hold on, guys. Before I wrap up, I have to hear what Mr. Mobia say. Wait is that? You're out?
I'm out like a light right now, man.
Alright, so. Alright, cool. So people, yeah man, it was a wonderful moment, you know, sharing with our friends. Jamrock, big up yourself, my brother. Bless up my boss, yeah man. Real about it, you see me? Yeah man. Yeah. So while we're there, you know, you man entertain yourself with the channels, you know, see that? Jamaican and Houston channel, see? Yeah, and guys, everybody over there, see them here, they are still enjoying themselves and things like that, but, you know, it's about the time when I'm going to say, you know, it was nice having you watching this video again, guys. And until we do it, drop it again, yeah? So, thank you all for watching, alright?